DJI, renowned for its innovative drone technology, has continued to push the boundaries in the realm of first-person view drones. With the release of the DJI Avata 2, the company aims to build upon the success of its predecessor, the DJI Avata, offering a range of upgrades and enhancements. In this comprehensive comparison, we delve into the key differences and similarities between the two models, helping you make an informed decision based on your needs and preferences.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Avata 2 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, featuring a cinewhoop style with built-in propeller guards for added protection. It has been slightly lighter than its predecessor, with dimensions measuring at 7.28 by 8.34 by 2.52 inches and a weight of 377 grams. The USB-C port has been conveniently relocated for easier access, and the overall design aims to enhance flight performance and maneuverability. On the other hand, the original Avata also adopts a cinewhoop design with integrated propeller guards. It is slightly smaller and lighter compared to the Avata 2, with dimensions of 180 by 180 by 80 millimeter and a weight of 410 grams. While both drones share a similar design philosophy, the Avata stands out with its accessibility and user-friendly approach. The Avata 2 promises improved flight performance thanks to its enhanced aerodynamics and reduced weight. It offers a marginally increased flight time of up to 23 minutes in real-world conditions, making it a suitable choice for both beginners and experienced FPV pilots. With features like GPS positioning, return to home, and obstacle detection, the Avata 2 provides a seamless flying experience with added safety measures. Similarly, the original Avata delivers reliable flight performance, albeit with slightly shorter flight times compared to its successor. With its intelligent flight batteries and safety features, including GPS and obstacle detection, the Avata ensures a smooth and hassle-free flying experience. While it may not match the extended flight times of the Avata 2, it still offers impressive performance for capturing stunning FPV footage. The Avata 2 introduces the DJI Motion 3 controller, offering intuitive and easy-to-use controls for piloting the drone. With features like easy acro for performing basic aerial stunts and a visual representation of flight paths in the FPV goggles, the Motion 3 controller enhances the flying experience for users of all skill levels. Additionally, the Avata 2 is compatible with the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 for those who prefer a more traditional control setup. In comparison, the original Avata comes with the DJI Motion controller, providing similar functionality to its successor. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in the Motion 3 controller, it still offers a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls for flying the drone. Additionally, users have the option to purchase the DJI FPV remote controller for manual flight mode, catering to the needs of experienced FPV pilots. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and electronic stabilization features like Rocksteady 3.0, the Avata 2 delivers immersive FPV video footage with enhanced clarity and stability. It offers various shooting modes and resolutions, including 4K at up to 60 FPS, 2.7K, and 1080p for slow-motion capture. With its advanced camera capabilities, the Avata 2 ensures high-quality video output for both beginners and professional users. Similarly, the original Avata comes with a 48-megapixel camera and electronic stabilization features, providing excellent video quality and stability during flight. It offers similar shooting modes and resolutions as the Avata 2, allowing users to capture immersive FPV footage with ease. While there may be slight differences in camera performance between the two models, both drones excel in delivering stunning aerial videos. The Avata 2 is available in two bundles. The single-battery Fly More bundle, priced at $999, and the three-battery Fly More bundle, priced at $1,199. Each bundle includes the DJI Motion 3 controller, DJI Goggles 3, and other essential accessories, providing users with everything they need to start flying right out of the box. In comparison, the original Avata is available in standalone form for $629 or in 2 bundles. The DJI Avata ProView Combo, priced at $1,388, and the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo, priced at $1,168. Each bundle includes different combinations of controllers and goggles, catering to the preferences of users with varying needs and budgets. In conclusion, both the DJI Avata 2 and the DJI Avata offer impressive features and performance capabilities, making them standout choices in the FPV drone market. While the Avata 2 introduces several upgrades and enhancements over its predecessor, the original Avata still holds its own with its accessibility and reliable performance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.